He had them brown, ugly Timberlands on his feet, and he was walking diagonal this direction until I pulled up and he saw me. Then he starts power walking up this way and then cut right down the alley that way. And as soon as I'm going after him, he turns a corner right over there by the brown fence, and then you can see him just dart. He was so high that he was confused on what we were asking. And then we went in the bathroom, and I see, because the bathroom's on the back wall. You've seen those. Yeah. And he's hiding behind the door, and I could see him in the mirror. He's like tucked behind the door like this. I couldn't help but start laughing, man. It's the same guy from 2 weeks ago.
This body cam footage was recorded on April 22nd, 2023, outside a retail store. The suspect insisted he never carried anything past the door, as if that alone cleared him of theft. Under most theft statutes, exercising unauthorized control with intent to deprive is enough. Crossing a threshold is not required.
Hey, man, all I want to do is talk. Otherwise, I'm going to figure out who you are and trespass you from the store. 1 to 2, he's refusing to stop. He's walking southbound now. Just info, he does not have any merch on him. He ditched the cart before he left the area. It's the same guy from 2 weeks ago.
You want me to move my car?
No, you're fine. We had a guy take off on foot from us.
Oh, no.
So.
I did just see him running down the alley as I was pulling in.
Black male?
He had like the gray sweater.
Yeah. One of the units. One of the homeowners said that they saw him running back up the alley heading west. I bet you he's heading back over towards the hotel.
Yeah, when you said I saw him go cut through when I was pulling up this way, so I went that way, and I couldn't see him because it's all fenced back there.
Yeah, he had a female with him, and he was walking this road.
He was with a female?
Yeah. The female wasn't there the last time.
She wearing that pink shirt over at the bus stop right there?
Pink coat or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that her?
Yeah, short black male.
Yep. Female?
Yeah.
Yep. Is that her?
Yep.
You can go talk to her. Did she steal anything?
All I know is they were walking together right next to each other over here, so she'll know who he is.
Hi, ma'am. Can I talk to you for a moment? You're here with a male from at Walmart. Who is he to you?
I'm 27.
Okay. But officers were seeing you with a male who was stealing from Walmart.
No, I bet.
I'm not saying you stole, but you were with a male who stole.
No.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
No.
Do you have your soch? Do you know your soch? Okay, what's your name? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm almost positive that's him.
Is he no longer in a walking boot? Because I know who you guys are talking about, but I didn't think he had the ability to run. He just had surgery.
Well, when he was walking this direction, when I dealt with him, he had them brown, ugly Timberlands on his feet.
Yeah.
And he was walking diagonal this direction until I pulled up and he saw me. Then he starts power walking up this way and then cut right down the alley that way. And as soon as I'm going after him, he turns a corner right over there by the brown fence, and then you can see him just dart. Yeah, I was waiting on another unit because last time there was 2 guys in there and we ended up getting a bunch of meth out of it. Couldn't charge them with it, of course, but...
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
Is Jefferson in here with you?
Jefferson, no, my brother's here.
Your brother's here?
Yeah.
No, not that one. Is it just you two?
Yeah, and my daughter.
Okay, and the daughter?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah,
the guy that we did? Yeah.
He's not here.
Okay, all right. I think we just dealt with him again over at Walmart, and he took off running this direction. So appreciate it, guys. Take it easy, all right? Yeah, because when we had him, he was so high that he was confused on what we were asking. And then we went in the bathroom, and I see, because the bathroom's on the back wall. You've seen those.
Yeah.
And he's hiding behind the door, and I could see him in the mirror. He's like tucked behind the door like this. I couldn't help but start laughing, man.
The initial approach relied on reasonable suspicion, not probable cause, meeting the standard from Terry versus Ohio in 1968. That standard permits a brief investigative stop based on the totality of circumstances, including prior contact with the same individual. Once the suspect fled after a lawful order to stop the encounter shifted from a voluntary conversation into an active pursuit. Flight alone does not establish probable cause for theft, but it does support continued investigative detention under Terry v. Ohio. The Taser deployment is measured against Graham v. Connor from 1989, judged from the officer's perspective in the moment. That standard asks whether a reasonable officer facing an unresolved retreat attempt would view force as necessary in that instant. Neither probe completed an electrical circuit, raising a separate question about proportional force versus demonstrated effectiveness. A tool that fails to incapacitate still counts as a use of force event for review purposes. Miranda v. Arizona from 1966 required rights advisement before any custodial interrogation, and that sequence was followed correctly. Outstanding warrants, one federal and one county level, independently justified continued detention regardless of the theft allegation's strength. The charges ultimately filed were petty theft and fleeing from an officer, not a completed larceny with proven asportation.
Stop!
Okay. I did nothing.
Get down on the ground.
All right. I did nothing.
I've got him down.
Why y'all
The
chasing
beeline to where he started running.
Why y'all chasing me?
Don't move.
Why y'all chasing me? I ain't did nothing to nobody.
10-4 backyard. Over there! Hands behind your back. Now!
Okay.
Now!
Yes, sir. I'm not gonna move.
Don't. Did you know you had warrants?
What, Miranda?
Yeah, you get a couple, one through us, one through county.
To county for what?
I don't know. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
No running, okay? I'm going to take this pro out of him so he doesn't
I'll
get
put this
poked. Didn't go through him.
No, I knew I had a warning in the lane. I think that's why I ran.
That's why you ran?
Yeah.
And now you get a bunch more charges. Have a seat, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to snag a photo of him just showing that Taser didn't go through. So he hit the fence, stopped, and turned around. And he immediately looked like he was about to run, like looking for another exit, and I was just like, no, I'm tasing. As soon as I did that, he fell to the ground.
Did you get one to connect, or did you get...
Neither one of them did.
Okay.
I think one bounced off his pants, and then the other one went into his jacket, and it just stuck.
What follows is the sudden shift from a chaotic pursuit to a calm, almost routine conversation.
Well, I learned something from you today. I need to run more.
Huh? I shouldn't have done that. I'll make that job hard. I shouldn't have did that anyway.
Yeah, I mean, all I had on you, dude, was that you were at Walmart and you ditched the stuff. So I just needed to talk to you.
I didn't get a chance. I didn't steal nothing.
Yeah.
I had my credit card. It was what you call it? It declined.
Yeah.
And when I pushed it past the thing, he took the thing from me.
I got you.
And I walked out the door without it, but he told me I was supposed to come and talk to him about it, and I didn't.
Okay.
I just left.
Okay, man.
But I never pushed it out the door and that stuff.
So I'm going to read you something just that way we get this out of the way, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, you've heard it before, but I still got to do it, all
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now that you understand your rights, you willing to talk to me about anything?
Sure.
Okay. So the medics are here. All right, I'm going to let them check you out first, and then we'll talk right after,
I
okay?
don't need no medic. I'm straight.
You're the one that asked for one.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I just said
when you was laying
I
there.
said I was tired, but I was just tired. I don't need a medic though. I'm fine.
You cool if they at least check you out just to make sure?
I'm all right.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to let that be their call, okay?
Okay,
Because they got called out here. All right, so you heard me, obviously, when I was telling you to stop.
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
and you
sir.
hollered at me and told me I didn't do nothing.
Yeah.
I told you to stop.
Yeah, me being
Okay,
stupid.
all right. I'm just making sure that you understood that.
Yes,
so,
sir.
I'll have a couple charges on you. It's not anything too hefty and crazy. It sounds like you've got some warrants out of county, and I think you got one through us too.
Out of county?
Yeah, no, in county, like Montgomery County. You got something through county. I don't know what it is. I haven't been by a computer. I've been busy
Okay.
chasing you
I
down.
know I had
so-
a old warrant out of Marine
Okay.
for theft, I think it was. But
Okay.
I didn't get a chance to pay the fine.
Okay, so that'll still be floating, so you'll have to square that off,
Okay,
okay?
yes, sir.
And then whatever you got over at the county, then
Yes,
we'll
sir.
get that squared off too, okay?
That's fine.
All right, man. I appreciate you cooperating once we got a hold of you,
All
okay?
right, thanks, man.
All right, man.
The officer earns a B-, a lawful stop and correct Miranda timing, offset by inconsistent taser probe placement. The suspect earns a C+, voluntary flight, created the very use of force he later called excessive. The lesson here is procedural reasonable suspicion plus flight authorizes a stop, not a conviction. A failed taser connection does not remove the incident from use of force review. Documentation still matters. Walking away from a lawful order can turn a simple conversation into a pursuit with real legal consequences. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.